tutorial walks you through the Python code for setting up the same program of the burger program. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by defining main, and we're going to follow the same pseudocode. Go down here and make my call to main. And inside of main, we're going to start by writing our module to declare our variables. Now we have a lot of variables that we're going to return out of this module. So when we code this module, we are going to take each of those variables and program equals no and order equals no, and then all of our other variables, remember there's 13 total, all of our numeric variables, and you're going to continue down for all 13 of those. Now because we're coding here, we need to have return statements. So you're going to have all of the variables that you declare, you're going to return out of this module the same way that we did in our previous program. So return all 13. I'm just going to start it and you'll continue it on. Now whatever, all of the variables that you return need to be set up here equal to. Of course the dots need to be replaced with the actual values. Then the next thing that we have is we have a while loop. So while end program is equal to no, then we're going to do our reset variables. So those were things like total burger, total soda, total fry, and so on. And that was called reset variables. Now that module will be declared down here. Where you take all of those 6 and you reset those to 0. And then you return all of those: burger, total soda, total fry, total tax, and so on. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to start our next loop while end order is equal to no. Then we ask for our option. Option equals, what do you want to enter? 1 for burger, 2 for soda, and so on. Then we start our nested decision. If option is equal to 1, what we're going to do then is call get burger, and that call is going to return total burger. So that is equal to get burger, and then we pass it the things that we need, those being total burger cost, and also we need burger count. So we're going to pass those in there. Now when we code and come down here, making sure it's in the correct place, make a little space. When we come down here and we code get burger, we are going to accept those variables and in this module we're going to ask for the burger count as an input. You know, how many do they want? And then you're going to do your formula. Total burger equals total burger plus burger count times the cost. And then this module returns total burger. So you're going to finish all of this up with your nested decision, making sure you tab back, elif option equals 2, and then elif option equals 3. Now at the end of this module, what you're going to do is ask if the end of the order is complete. So end order equals raw input. Do you want to end the order? And if it's true, then it'll end the order. When it is not true, what we're going to do then is our last two, which are to calculate our totals. So total equals calc total, pass it our totals that we need. Those being total burger, total burger, total fry, total soda, and then our total tax and subtotal. And then at that point, we print our receipt. So these modules you'll have to code below, passing here total. And then outside of this, we ask if they want to end the program. So that would be a raw input as well. So the main part of this program has our nested loops, and down here is where all of our modules will be coded.